Gotta get up, Johnson.
No.
It's time to go get our RV fixed.
Why? It's just gonna break again.
But then you can shower. And Jesse can wash his feet. Waiting for Jesse again. The Walmart parking lot.
Fun little extra
Step in a step.
Going to get our RV fixed.
I got us, guys.
Ryan just made it down a giant hill. First timer. I thought we were gonna die.
I've seen bigger.
His knuckles are still white.
Shh, that's just because I'm very pale. Nothing to do with nerves. And we're in park.
Alright, let's go talk to this guy. We're here at the RV repair shop getting our RV fixed.
Let me do this. We're at the RV repair shop getting our RV fixed. Johnson talking on the phone. James Ross being a baller. And I'm taking care of business, everyone. Don't you worry. We're gonna get the show back on the road and we'll get some more vlogging. I'm gonna give the people what they want. Top Gun. Boom. Got a beached whale over here. Beached whale sighting.
Get out of here.
Okay, we are back on the road. The water pump is fixed. The RV is in great shape, and we're cruising. We got DJ Portron, aka the Hot Dog Don, aka Jimmy Computers, aka Vlogman, behind the wheel, taking us to Portland, Oregon. Hello.
There's a lake!
Oh, look! There's a lake! I can wash my hands now instead of pretending I wash my hands.
There.
Look at... Oh, I haven't washed my hands in 5 days. Fresh. Well, back to my co-pilot chair, everybody. Jim, dead ahead.
Jim, where are we at?
We just crossed the border into Oregon. We're maybe 80, 100 miles in so far.
Yeah, we're doing an AMA.
Oh yeah?
Somebody asked what Johnson's contributing to the trip. Why don't you tell him?
Yeah, Johnson.
I drove last night so you guys could drink while we had our meal.
Oh yeah, that was a good quarter mile.
So it was 7 miles.